But I don't recommend you to buy a POCO phone in 2022. As we all know that POCO provides us with a very good hardware and features, but it always has some problems in its software, and they also provide us with a bad quality motherboard. And the motherboard is the main part of our mobile. They do cost cuts in the motherboard and its software, and this is the reason the phones of POCO company become dead before its warranty period only. There was a lots of problem in POCO X2 Pro, which was launched a year ago. They were giving Snapdragon 860 at a price of 15,000, but after using the phone for 6 months, it was having a lots of problem. Even after a software update, many of the POCO X2 Pro were dead. Some of the phones were having problem in their display, some were having problem in its camera, and some phone even blasts. Same thing happened with POCO X2, POCO F1, and all the phones of POCO have some problems after using a certain period. And this company has a very bad customer service. Even the phone were in warranty period with no external damage, they were not exchanging it. Even my two friends has faced this problem. And if you not believe me, you can search it on YouTube and you will find 1000 videos on this topic. So I conclude that buying a POCO phone means taking risks, as it don't have any surety that how long it will last. So I recommend you to go for Realme, IQ, Vivo, and you can also definitely go for Redmi. And if you can increase your budget, then definitely go for Samsung. Thank you. If you like this information, then please subscribe to my channel and please share and like this video.